in the backyard. Back over here behind my shop. There's a shop right there. Just a little storage building right there. She's out there eating some grass. Pretty doe. She's healthy. Ooh. And there she goes. Yeah, something got her attention around there. I don't know what that could be. She's not paying us any attention. I say us. Me and Rascal right there. Just sitting out here on the back stoop. Something definitely got her attention. It's amazing how they can stand so still sometimes. Yeah, if y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, leave me some comments. I would appreciate it. It'd help the little channel out. Y'all have a good one.